How to send multiple pictures through email on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can send multiple pictures through email on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to send multiple pictures through email on Android, it is not really a matter of Android or iPhone. It is a matter of which email app or service you use. Gmail has a different process. Apple Mail might not have that process at all. Then you have Yahoo, Hotmail, Outlook, AOL Mail, other mails. But for this context, I'm going to use Gmail. If you're using other apps, I would recommend you use Gmail. Whether you're using Android or iPhone doesn't matter, okay? So now, once you've sorted that out, open up the Gmail app, go to the Compose tab, and let's say while composing email, you want to attach multiple photos. So you can tap on the pin icon from the top right, tap on Attach File option there. Then just go ahead and select multiple pictures. So it doesn't matter, you can just go ahead and select multiple pictures, tap on select, and then you'll be able to attach them as you can find here. And this is the way on how you can attach or send multiple pictures through email on Android. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.